How to use green screen on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use green screen on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on to the TikTok app itself, please visit your app store or your Play Store first and check if your TikTok is up to date. This will ensure that you will have the latest features, especially the filter of using green screen. Now just head on and open TikTok over here. And once you open it, just click on this plus icon at the bottom mid and it will open up the camera page where you can upload a TikTok video or create one. And once you are in the camera page, just click on this effects option right over here. And you should see these tabs over here. And once you swipe to the left, you should see all these options, and there is also the tab to see green screen. Now, if you don't have this tab, that's okay. You can also click on this magnifying glass over here and just search for green screen. And you should have many options, so I'm just going to click on the first one. And once you select this, you should see your face at the top, and you can then have the option to select media over here. So I'm just going to select a specific photo, and that will be the background that I would have, and that is how you can basically use green screen. So when you record a video, just press and hold on this shutter button over here and click on the check mark over here. Click on next, and that is how you can basically use green screen on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.